Welcome to our channel, Hard Reset Info. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on the Samsung Galaxy A12 phone. On this phone we have a microphone here, this little dot, and a second microphone at the top, also a little dot. These are the microphones responsible for picking up your voice or for noise cancellation. So this is the main microphone, and this one is the auxiliary. To clean it we need a small brush like this. A rectangular one, about 2 centimeters long, with flexible bristles so that the bristles are medium soft or medium hard or soft, just not hard, because hard bristles will scratch your phone. We also need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so it will soften the dirt and make it come off easily, and then so that the alcohol completely evaporates from the parts we're cleaning, leaving no trace behind. So we can use this one or this one. You can buy both of these sets as a kit on Amazon or Allegro. And if you don't have them, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it has soft or medium bristles. The first thing we do is soak the toothbrush thoroughly so it's completely wet. If you simply don't have a diffuser like this, you can always use just a little notch and just wet your toothbrush here, I don't know. The microphone is here, as I mentioned, so we just clean it. So a few times in each direction. A few times in every direction. Just one, a few times in one direction, not just here, on one side and the other, because then you won't really clean it. The dirt will just stay inside. But if you go a few times in one direction, the dirt will come out either this way or that way or another way. But in some direction it will definitely come out and you won't have it in the microphone opening anymore. Repeat this action a few times in every direction. Once we see that it's pretty well cleaned, we can move on to the second microphone, which is on the other side, and do the same thing. So a few times in one direction, then in the other direction. A few times in this direction, and then a few times in the other direction. Just a few times in every direction, so that the dirt comes out of the opening, and we have microphones in this phone that work very well. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the isopropyl alcohol to completely evaporate from the phone. Then it simply disappears and there is no trace of it left. And then we can turn the phone on as usual and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.